If your search bar isn't working, like when you click on it but nothing happens, or you can't type anything, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Okay, first things first, let's try the easiest method. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and select Restart. Wait a few seconds for your taskbar and start menu to reload. Next, press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type services.ms and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Search. Double-click it and set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. If it's already running, click Stop and then Start again. After that, check your search box. This often fixes the problem right away. Alright, if that didn't fix it, let's move on to something a bit deeper. Open Run again, Windows key plus R, and type Regedit, then press Enter. Copy the following path from the description and paste it into the address bar in Regedit. Once you're there, click on the Run folder. Then right-click on the empty space on the right side, go to New String Value. Name it ctfmon.exe and set its value data to CEXE. Close Regedit, restart your PC, and try the search box again. If it's still not working, let's try one more method that goes a little further. Press Windows key plus X and select Windows PowerShell Admin. Copy the following commands from the description and paste them in order. Press Enter, wait for it to finish, then restart your computer. After rebooting, check if the search bar is finally responding. If none of these methods worked, your system files might be corrupted. To fix that, open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scan now. Wait for the scan to complete. It will automatically repair any damaged Windows files. Try these methods one by one and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Have a great day.